Stranded on this island.
Hey friends, how are ya? It's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. What's on your bench? Well, I've got a few things going on here. It's been a while since I made a video, and I've got quite a bit going on. Some family stuff. Yeah. Anyways, not gonna get into the sad stuff, but yeah, we got a whole bunch of projects on the go here. So, one project that I freaking love is these wheels that I'm assembling. They are off the hook. I ended up getting the green 310s in one of the Trucks of Fortune, and right away I was like, hey, these got to go with like gold and purple because that's just going to look best. So I chased around for a while and finally found the purple skerns that have the black deltas. Anyways, Chico's RC Chop Shop is the guy who had them, and he shipped them to Canada. Very, very, very awesome. I appreciate the wicked service, and yeah, I got those yesterday, so I've been put one wheel together so far. I think I'm going to mount those on the brand new Geolanders that come in this RTR box here, which is what I got in my Trucks of Fortune. Down here I've got an Ultra kit to build still. That's maybe going to happen this winter. I'd love to get to it. This is the color scheme I'd like to go with. I've got many other Tamiya paints, but these are the three I think I've selected for the Ultra, because they'll go pretty cool with these wheels, I believe. Other than that, I've got the gears and most of the upgrades for this RTR. I'm going to dye the frame. I did get some of the right dye. Now, this is called Super Pink, but, Cliff McCraw did a frame with this color, and it came out more of a purple. It would probably almost match those rings. It's not as pink, it's more purple. It's quite a bit darker, but I'm not sure if I like that color and if I'm going to go with that. I did order another one called Royal Purple, and that one should be here tomorrow. So I have a feeling I might go with the Royal Purple or do a two-tone with a bit of an angle on it, and do the front with the light pink, and then that pink, and the Royal Purple at the back. We'll see how that goes. I'm not too sure yet what I'm going to do. I've got some carbon wrap, and that is going to go on the panels on the optic, so it'll look like it was a carbon kit, but it's going to be a really cheaply done wrap. Cost me like $10 or something like that for the wrap. So that's kind of cool, so I'll have leftover to do other projects and other things around the house if I want things to look like carbon. What else we got? Oh yeah, so this is really, 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 really awesome. I am in love with H-Tech parts, and this time it came with stickers. Oh, that is super cool. Thank you, Inta. Yeah, you're amazing. You do awesome work. You're always helping me out. Whenever I need something or if I have questions, I message you, and you are very quick to reply. So we've got this stuff in here. In this order, I did order a few things for a friend of mine as well. So he's gonna have some parts mixed in here. I'm not sure exactly what, but yeah, these are all taped up here. So I'm gonna have to put you down for a sec, but I'm gonna open these and be right back. Oh yeah, so I'm back. Oh man, this is awesome. So I've got two sets of sway bar links. The purple ones are for my rig. They're going to go on 24 karat. And these ones are for my buddy Chris. And then he got some of the bump stops and some hydro clamps. I also got, oh yeah, that's going to look nice, basket to go on the back. Some of the side rock sliders, which look beautiful. And they're going to hide the scratch that you can just barely see down there. So what's kind of neat is the sliders are going to hide that scratch. I'm going to try not to scratch this thing too much because I freaking love it. And that's why I'm building another optic, so I can abuse the poop out of it. and roll it, crash it, smash it, scratch it, smash it, roll it, repeat. But I also got some of those roof rails, which are going to look really nice. They're going to stand out pretty cool on the roof, all in gold. And of course, my friend Inta sent me, oh, that is so nice. These are not on the website yet, but I believe they will be in a few days. So keep an eye on the H-Tech website for the rad. This is so freaking cool. It's rad. So yeah, these, I'm not sure exactly. They usually mount up on the back. But with the basket, I don't know. I might have to get a little bit creative and mount it higher, but we'll see. Anyways, that's going to be awesome. It's going to look great. I really like H-Tech parts, and the quality is just out of this world. So if you do not have anything H-Tech yet, I promise you, you will not be disappointed at all. So yeah, that's it, man. I don't know what else to say right now, but that's what's on my workbench. And these wheels are just sexy. Oh yeah. Oh, I've got Pricey's shocks ordered months ago, but they take him a while to make them, which I fully understand. But now it's taking longer because the post office in Australia doesn't want to take anything that's going to Canada because of the strike that we had, which is over right now. So I'm not sure. These parts here just came from South Korea through Canada Post, and there was no issues, but I guess every country is different, so I can't complain about that. And what else was there that's coming? I'm thinking about maybe I'll get some Vanquish H10 axles to go on this thing and swap out the trio axles onto the other build that I'm going to put together. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, thanks for watching Manitoulin Island RC. Peace, love, and yeah, subscribe. Cheers.